You know, I found out the hard way the last time that I tried this.
Oh, not again!
And I haven't seen this done with any other.
You've probably seen it, this giant, fluffy orange cat doing all kind of ridiculous, adorable, or epic things. I'm going to work with you through step-by-step on how to create your own viral big fat orange cat videos using AI tools, of course, like Leonardo AI, Kling AI, and CapCut. Imagine that. Hundreds, even thousands of dollars each single day by working under 30 minutes. Crazy, right? Before starting, I want to mention that we are building an amazing community together, and this involves you too. Here are the top and most amazing comments from the previous video, which helps growing views and success. Huge shout out to you guys. Your AI Fusion Master, appreciate the vibe. Let's go for the tutorial. First things first, let's jump into ChatGPT. I'll provide you the prompt in the description below. We need to get a bunch of good ideas to start. So let's prompt this. I want to create videos like this one, but first I'll need some text to image prompts in that same funny cartoony style. I would also love your help coming up with similar wild and hilarious plot ideas to match the vibe. Then copy and paste the link from the Orange Cat TikTok channel, hit generate, and wait for the cake to be done. Amazing! We have now 5 fantastic ideas to work with. Let's pick the microwave time machine, for example. Pick up the idea and use this prompt. Let's use the plot with the same chubby fat orange cat. Microwave time machine. A cat accidentally sets the microwave to 2 million BC, and the entire kitchen turns into a jungle with dino eggs in the fridge. Give me 7 text-to-image prompts to show a logical flow of the story, and hit generate. Amazing! We have our 7 C's just ready for image generation. Now let's jump into Leonardo AI to have our images generate properly. We're using Leonardo for its amazing free plan, which gives you 150 credits per day. Copy the first prompt ChatGPT gave you for scene number 1 and paste it directly into the generative bar from Leonardo AI. By here, we're going to choose the options. Choose Leonardo Phoenix 1.0, then choose Style 3D Render, set the contrast to medium, and of course, don't forget to change the format. Make sure to pick TikTok 9:16 and hit generate, rinse and repeat. Copy the prompt, paste the prompt, and hit generate. And we're done. Let's have a look and see if everything is all right. If you have any issues, just modify a bit the prompt and regenerate till you are satisfied with the result. Here you see we have an issue. We need to fix that. Well, let's get back into ChatGPT and modify the prompt to fix this issue. Make sure to keep the orange chubby fat cat consistent throughout all the scenes, please, and hit generate. There we go, it's perfect. Great, now download all the images and keep them ready for the next step. Before jumping into Kling AI, we need first to have some prompts. All right, I've generated the images for our whole story. Now it's time to bring them to life. I need image to video animation prompts for the attached images in order. Let's animate the story. Search your images and add them to the prompt bar. Hit generate and let's ChatGPT make its magic. On Kling AI, choose AI Video and select Model Kling 1.6. Click Image to Video and add your first image into the start frame zone. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt corresponding to the scene, and paste it. Hit generate and let's wait for the magic. We're done. Now let's see the result. I think it looks fantastic. I love the vibe. Great, all our videos are ready. Let's download them and get ready for the next step. Yes, guys, this is actually my morning routine. And if you didn't notice, it was fully made with AI. Crazy, right? I have great news. I just dropped the AI influencer course you've all been asking for. Inside, I show you exactly how I create viral president and celebrity videos that pull millions of views and earn thousands. You'll also learn how to make ultra-realistic AI avatars like the one you see right now, and hop on trends without even showing your face. This is your moment to get ahead and start building your own AI-powered brand. Don't miss out. Grab the course now. Link is in my bio. Now we're in CapCut, ready to create our viral, fantastic fat orange cat masterpiece. First step, let's import all our videos. Next, put all your videos into the timeline in the right order. And now comes the most critical part of all this process. We need to replicate the same sound design as the original videos. You guessed it. The music and the sound keeps the viewer engaged and ensures the video goes viral almost every single time. To find the matching sounds, you have two options. One, use the built-in library of audio files from CapCut. The other option is to use 11 Labs to have your own sounds generated just for you. If you're missing some sounds, you can use mindstands.com. The links will be provided in the description below. Here you can find various sounds to help you achieve your final result. Choose your sound, hit download, and get back to CapCut. In 11 Labs, go to Sound Effects, choose your duration and also the speed of the sound. Use the prompt bar, hit Generate, then you'll have various samples provided to you. You can choose whatever you want and just download them. We're almost done. Add a final touch with the transitions. Let's choose whatever you want. It's totally up to you. Boom! We are done. Our final video is here. Let's check the final result. I think the final result's amazing. Our viewers will love this video and will want more. To succeed in this niche, remember to stay consistent and keep fine-tuning it until it becomes even better. The best part of this is we have finished our video in under 25 minutes. Hope this tutorial helped you out, and as always, stay creative and keep making magic.
Not again!